Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of November 23rd through 29th. I'm using this kit from Life with Mayra. It's super cute and seems appropriate for Thanksgiving. I like that the colors are a little unusual but still fall-like. Also pulled some washi. I have this wide stuff from Amazon, and then I have these couple from Michael's, and then the skinny one from Dollar Tree. So my plan is to use this fat one on the bottom and then this skinny one on the top, and then these boxes are tall enough to cover the other two headers, so that's going to be my plan. So I am going to stick these down, use my ruler from AliExpress and then my slice tool, and then I will be back so that we can do all the interesting stuff. Alright, so that's the base, nice and quick. I'm actually going to white out this Thanksgiving because I'm going to put that in differently. Okay, so in terms of boxes, so I feel like these two go together, and those two go together, and those two go together, which leaves those two then. Alright, I'm just going to do it that way. I'm going to stick this Give Thanks in as my quote box. That's like not at all straight. There we go. I feel like this one goes with it. So I think I'm going to line it up at the top and then have it make the bottom a little bit short. I think that's fine. Next up, I guess I'll do these two. This box I didn't cut very well, but I think it's going to be fine. So this week I have, see, you can see that, whatever, it's fine. Sure. I have both Thursday and Friday, so I'll have a little bit of time to just get caught up with things. I'm going to try to make my holiday cards so that I can send them out, because we're getting close to the holidays at this point. So I think that's going to be good. And I think that's pretty much it. So not a very eventful week, but that's going to be fun. Okay, so now that we have full boxes, I'm going to get started on the sidebar. I'm going to start by just sticking a strip of this washi. I think I'm going to space out my sidebar this time. I like hardly ever do that, but I'm going to do it. Rebel for a change. There's that. Let me see. Do I have a habit tracker that would be good? Like this gray one. Oh, I think. How about one of these? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this color, even though it's not like obviously one that goes. I think it goes. It's a leftover. I don't remember who it's from, but it's cute, so I'm gonna use it. Then I'm gonna stick another strip of washi. I'm just gonna use that one for Instagram, which as usual I forgot to get my Instagram stickers, so I will not be using them. I remember like 1 week, but I'm forgetting. All right, and then I think I want to use, maybe I'll use this guy. Just stick a few to-dos in. I don't think I can use this one. I think this is from Indian Planner Addict. It's like this one random header left by itself. So I think I'll use that with this. There we go. That looks cute. I feel like that's enough to-dos for holiday week. So I'm just gonna stick some like cute washi in. Okay, well apparently, maybe not, because I'm just gonna like tear this washi. I'm gonna do it upside down because I can only go like one direction. There we go. This end I cut right here. And then this edge I'm gonna cut right here. I like always freehand cut for reasons I don't really understand. Does this one fit? And I'm just gonna tuck this in. Right here at the bottom, it just barely fits. There we go. Perfect. Okay, sidebar is all done. I think that'll work pretty well. In terms of the week, I'm gonna start. I have these Prairie Planner laptops. I think I'm gonna use the red. Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll use 3 different colors. Red, orange, and yellow. To mark my 3 days of work. There we go. And then also on Monday, let's see, we have 7 dinner things. So maybe I'm just gonna stick one of these down at the bottom on each day. Since I have them. So I'm just gonna stick these down. I should have done this as part of my like boring bit setup, but here we are. There's that. I also want to stick in my plan with me on Monday. I'm just gonna use one of these giant guys. I mean, this is like excessive, but there we go. That's gonna mark my plan with me. Do I want some sort of like icon or something? Oh, how about one of these stars? That seems cute. It's a happy planner book that I pulled so that I could have some holidays, but we'll use it for other things. There we go. That is everything for Monday. Tuesday, I don't think I have anything to contribute. Wednesday, I'm going to stick down on Wednesday. I think I'm going to use this brown one. Well, it doesn't feel like coming up, so I'm going to use yellow instead. I'm going to stick down here the Masked Singer. Fortune Fire is also on Wednesday, but I don't know if we're going to watch it on Wednesday. Okay, Thursday and rest of the week. Start by sticking these guys down. Since I have them. With the way they're colored, I'm making it like symmetrical because that's how I like them to be. There we go. All right. Thursday, first up. I think I'll use the fox. This is going to mark down Thanksgiving. If I go back to this heavy planner book, which which is falling apart. Somewhere in here. Oh, there we go. Doesn't have Black Friday, but it has Thanksgiving. So I'm going to stick this in, I think like so. And then I'm probably going to add some sort of fall icon that I didn't get because I didn't plan very well today. So I'll just leave it at that for now. If I feel like adding something, I can. If not, it's still kind of cute on its own. Okay. I also want to mark down that it is a day off. So these, I think, come from, oh, I need to trim this. So these are from a monthly kit by Plannerology Studio, I believe. But I have them, so I'm going to use them. So there's one day off. And then since I also have my day off, I'm just going to snip down this other one. Okay. Got like scraps everywhere. I'm just going to stick this guy off at the top of the day. So there's that. I don't know what else we're doing. I'm hoping to get some cards done during that time, I think, to make for the holidays. And then Saturday and Sunday, nothing's planned right now. So I still have a ton of TVs, which I can always cover up with another icon if I need to, and then some half boxes. So I should have plenty to work with. This is what it is looking like right now. I'm going to fill it in with this iHow 0.38 like always, and then I will be right back. Alright, so that is where we are with pre-planning. If you stick around for just a second, you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished week. I love how it turned out. It's so cute and colorful, which is kind of unusual for a Thanksgiving kit, but it still seems very fall-like. So going through everything, I used up everything from the Life with Mayra kit, so that was super exciting. If I don't mention it, it comes from that kit. The washi, the skinny washi's from Dollar Tree. This is all leftovers that I don't know where they came from. These are both from Michael's, and then this one's from Amazon. The little laptops are from Creative Cavern Studio. The little star is from Happy Planner. This is a Plannerology Studio leftover, I believe. This is part of a Planner One Love leftover. Plannerology Studio, Plannerology Studio. This is a My Planner Life UK leftover. Another washi from Dollar Tree. Another Planner Life UK. This is from Craft Penguin Planner from a sampler. The Thanksgiving is from Happy Planner. The Day Off is a leftover. I don't know where it's from. This one's a leftover from Chasing Shelves. Another Plannerology Studio leftover. Another leftover, I don't know where it comes from. These Day Off might come from Plannerology Studio. I'm not totally sure. This is a Creative Cavern Studio. Creative Cavern Studio, another My Planner Life UK. This is a leftover from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. My Planner Life UK. Another Creative Cavern Studio. This is a leftover. I'm not sure where it came from. This is another Creative Cavern Studio. This is a leftover from my shop. And then this is a leftover from Avalon and Ninth. And then everything else came from the kit. So I love how it turned out. I think it's super cute. Let me know what holiday kits you're using, because I'm starting that next week, which I'm super excited about. Definitely my favorite time of year, especially for decorating my planner. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.